Hi. Being informed always makes it easier to take the right action. It is good to know how your machines perform in fish processing, but that requires them to feed you essential information. So, what do your machines tell you? Do they tell you how many fish they process? How many saddles run empty? How much electricity does it use, and what's the size of the fish running through your machines? If your machines aren't new, it is likely that they don't tell you much. Luckily, there is a solution for that. I present you the Data Kit. As the name suggests, this kit collects data from your machines. The Data Kit is flexible and can be installed on any machine. With the Data Kit installed, your machine will be able to tell you stuff. If you want to know how much water the machine uses to process each fish, the Data Kit will deliver that. If you need to see the total efficiency for today, the Data Kit will also tell you that. The list goes on, and whatever information you need will be captured so you can see and analyze it on your computer or phone. You can freely go back in time or select a specific interval to see how your machines behave. With the Data Kit, you can better control your production and maintenance and improve documentation details automatically. In the end, you get a better overview and more power to focus on the things that actually matter the most. Let's talk if you also believe in the importance of making informed decisions. I'm already looking forward to telling you more. See you soon.